Things you should know before you start your weight loss journey. Part 13 from a certified weight loss coach.
Prioritizing non-exercise activity thermogenesis, also known as NEAT. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis is the energy that you burn when you are not sleeping, doing intentional exercise, or eating. This means movements such as standing instead of sitting, fidgeting, pacing mindlessly, and anything that just burns calories and causes your body to move without necessarily being intentional. Studies have found that those who usually stand more versus sit more through the day, especially in an office setting,
can be burning as much as 40 to 70 calories more per hour during the workday. Now, this might not sound like much, but when you calculate that out, 8-hour work days, 5 days a week, every single month for an entire year, that can be up to an additional 21 pounds lost at minimum through the year.
This means that if you're someone who works in an office, making sure to stand more and or fidgeting more and moving around more will benefit your weight loss journey.